So, what is up guys, no? And karon, as usual, muna po na akong intro. But this time, different, nagamay kay... Today is the day, no? Itong akong ginaingon, sige na mabalik ko sa Dumaguete kay sa Cebu mo ko nag-summer. And then, gi-invite ko about ani nga event na si Almoralde. Kita mo? Hay Malaya. Hay Malaya Makaraeg. Hindi na siya, no? Malaya Makaraeg. Then, Bernice and Vern, si DJ Kyle. DJ Kyle! Woo! Hala, oy, nakulbaan mo ko. Okay, pahimuon ko to bang prepare. Ano to, introduce yourself ba? Like, kung saan ako pag-introduce akong self. Practice ako, guys. So, what is up, guys? No, ano ako sa audience. Tapos, mingon ko nga, Hi guys, ano na? So, what is up, guys, no? So, this is Gelson Bagatua, 36, 25, 30, 28. Bahala na rin yun niya, bay. Basta makita na rin yun sa akong button. Like, by after 2,000 years, bay, nahuman na dyan may nakaanto na dyan may. First, ang kailangan atoon is ang urban hub para kuhaan tong 2 free tickets. And then, diretso na sa Lamberto, Masia Sports Complex. So, kita-kits dito. Mo transition lang ta sa urban hub in 3, 2, 1, boom! Hala ka, oy! Anong close man sila? Saan sa akong ticket? Asa akong ticket? Ayo.
Hindi na pwede pala yung ticket dito?
Ay, naraman ito di ay. Di ay dito, nalimot ko. Pwede rin di ay dito, nakabasa ko sa message. Mo din yung nasa behind na event no, sa mga urban hub. Pwede nyo ka makao ka ng ticket nga, 2 free tickets daw.
Ano kayo?
Wala po. Wala, guest ko guys na. Oh, diba?
Wala, tayo.
Oh, guest ko, oh. Guys, actually na si Daniel Gaston. Ilhado na siya sa mong school. Lingwa pa, kaya na siya sa ngatanan. So, try taog doon niya. Magbaga, tagnaw. Dili mo could be friends. So, let's go. Ito na ka rin. Daniel. So, yun, tagdool.
Ikaw, ikaw.
Ito na yung gani.
Hi. Daniel.
Oo, Daniel. Ay, nakay-something sa mata.
Really?
Sparkle na rin. Elizabeth.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, pwede makilingkod? Okay, ra?
Yeah,
makilingkod ko.
Go ahead.
FCK ko sa ngatanan karon by swear.
Ika na miss yung video ani ron.
Howler.
Ready na kayo for the bazaar. So are you excited? Ako mag-interview niyo.
Sige. Interview sa akong vlog din. Masayap ko sa akong tubag guys. Pwede naman ako i-cut, diba? Sa akong advantage.
So are you excited for the bazaar?
Yes, I'm very excited. Especially when I knew na you're part of the event.
Really?
Yes.
And what this slide makes them look.
Babakay ka.
Alright.
Great guests.
Ito.
What's your name?
Gelson Bagatua.
Alright,
Hello,
Gelson.
Kay.
So, what is it that you do?
I make vlogs, no, especially I make contents on YouTube and Facebook. I entertain people, I make them laugh and stuff. And also I endorse businesses also locally, yeah, and also sa like places.
And I think that's very great that you support local brands first because it's very, very important that we support local. And also, so when did you start getting into vlogging? Like when did you start liking vlogging?
Actually, it was by accident. Last year, I was just making videos like random. I just want to share people about how stupid my day was. Yeah. And then I didn't expect it na it would be a very good feedback no, to the people. And then they keep on requesting me to make more and more until it became parang routine na.
Alright, so it seems like you're on your way to success already. Don't forget us how and you're famous now. So what are you most excited about or what are you looking forward to at the Jumi's Bazaar?
So ito ba gani? Meeting my favorite content creators first, and then also to see more on what Dumaguete can show, especially sa food, sa mga clothing.
Alright, thank you so much.
Wala ko prepare ito ba? Ay ate, muna yung Nikki collection. Gabi ako yung crush ate, Nikki po yung name. Lagi akong last vlog. Kayo wala kayo? Oo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Gelson. Ay, Gelson ba? na, perheg name sa future wife. Ilang?
120.
120. Kanang 120 ninyo, pwede na ninyo mapalit o nindot kay nga glasses no kaysa igasto nimo atong person na biyaan na gihapon kasok. Nasa na ida? Wala pa. Smart man siya, yamang i-invest yung money no. Anong gapa mo ka?
Absolutely amazing.
Taken.
Pretty sure a lot of
Dili po. Dili siya taken. Kita mo ato.
leather.
Kauban?
Of course, those
Ay na, express.
Ay na. Ay, Gelson de, ay na.
Alright, so you're gonna have to prepare.
Nag-aasa.
People who might want. Alright, good luck.
Yung kwan?
Alright, so we're gonna move
Hala,
on
oy.
to
Wala. Actually, friends.
you about
Barkada, amigo.
please state your
Kailangan
name
ako
and
mahawa
what
doon.
you
Kaya
want.
tayo naman na siya taken siya.
This very handsome vlogger to my left, Mr. Gelson. Right to my right, actually.
I'm the right one for you, Mangkod.
Always filming.
I need you, baby.
Have you seen anything or have you spotted anything that you like or caught your eye at this bazaar?
Yes.
Would you care sharing?
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight.
Kikilig ko pero slide.
Slide lang.
Hindi na nakadalit mo ako. Do you have a girlfriend? My last question is, will you be staying until tonight?
Yes.
I had enough.